Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the best sustainable house facade ideas in this comprehensive guide, and let's learn about eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's world, it's increasingly important to consider the environmental impact of our choices. This is especially true when it comes to home design. A sustainable house facade not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your property, but also contributes to a healthier planet. In this guide, we'll explore some of the best sustainable house facade ideas, focusing on eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient design, and other sustainable practices. A sustainable house facade offers numerous benefits, both for you and the environment. Here are just a few. First, reduced energy consumption. Eco-friendly materials and design elements can help lower your energy bills by improving insulation and reducing heat gain or loss. Second, improved air quality. Sustainable materials can help purify the air around your home, contributing to better health and well-being. Third, increased property value. A sustainable home is often more desirable to potential buyers, which can increase its value. Fourth, positive environmental impact. By choosing sustainable materials and practices, you're helping to reduce your carbon footprint and protect the planet. There are many sustainable materials available for your house facade. Here are 10 of the best. 1. Recycled materials. Incorporate recycled materials like reclaimed wood, recycled bricks, or repurposed metal into your facade design. 2. Bamboo. Bamboo is a highly sustainable and versatile material that can be used for cladding, decking, and other exterior elements. 3. Cork. Cork is a renewable resource that is both durable and eco-friendly. It can be used for cladding, flooring, and insulation. 4. Rammed earth. This ancient building technique involves compressing earth into forms to create walls. Rammed earth is a highly sustainable and energy-efficient material. 5. Straw bale construction. Straw bales can be used as insulation and structural elements in a house facade. They are highly sustainable and energy efficient. 6. Living walls. A living wall is a vertical garden that can be incorporated into your house facade. It provides insulation, improves air quality, and adds a natural element to your home. 7. Solar panels. Solar panels can be installed on your roof or facade to generate renewable energy. 8. Wind turbines. If you have enough space, you can install a small wind turbine to generate electricity. 9. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater from your roof and use it for irrigation, flushing toilets, or washing clothes. 10. Low VOC paints and finishes. Choose paints and finishes that are low in volatile organic compounds to improve indoor air quality. How can I design a sustainable house facade? When designing a sustainable house facade, consider the following factors. First, orientation. Position your home to maximize solar gain in the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer. Second, shading. Use trees, overhangs, or awnings to provide shade and reduce heat gain. Third, insulation. Ensure your facade is well insulated to prevent heat loss or gain. Fourth, ventilation. Design your facade to allow for adequate ventilation to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Fifth, water management. Implement rainwater harvesting and other water-saving measures. By incorporating sustainable materials and design elements into your house facade, you can create a beautiful and environmentally friendly home. Not only will you be reducing your carbon footprint, but you'll also be enjoying the benefits of a more energy-efficient and comfortable living space. Ready to start designing your sustainable house facade? Visit our Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiration and ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.